fight together, we can build together, we can stay together. And if you win, girl, let me know that. I need a queen, nothing comes before that.
Reality, and today I decided to do a vlog. Why? I don't know, because I've been bombing it, being a bomb all day. Like, I really haven't done anything constructive. I mean, I cleaned up a little bit. I did make up my bed. I made a t-shirt for someone, and let me show you guys what I made. See if y'all can see this. You all see that? But I also, look, got this box from Amazon. I need to stay off Amazon. That is one of my goals for the month of February. So anyways, I got a new blockhead to make wigs on. I got a new dimming brush and scalp massager because my daughter, for some reason, decided to throw my other one away. I decided to get one of these because it looks better. Not to, you know, throw any shade at the toothbrush, because the toothbrush has been good to all of us, okay? But I did want to try that. And I also got some hair from Amazon. Now, last time I got a wig from Amazon, and the hair was really soft, and I colored it and blah, blah, blah. And it was a really good wig, but it was too big for my head. So I'm just gonna go back to my old ways. It's making my own wigs. I never really bought wigs because they were always too big or too small. Okay, so I'm gonna open this packet that I got from Amazon and show you guys. Grace Plus Hair Brazilian Body. Oh, look at this little bag. New life beginnings. We will continue to work hard to provide quality hair, good customer service. Thanks. That's a cute little bag. And y'all know I love mustard. It's not mustard, but it is gray and yellow, which is my room colors. Ow. Yeah, so let's open this up. See what we got. So 3 bundles. 12, 14, 16, and the lace frontal. And this is a 10-inch frontal. And it says Grace Plus Hair Blue. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. It's soft. I like it. It's pretty. The ends are a little exfoliating going on. See all those hairs popping out. I'll run my hands down it. So let's do the burn test and see if it's real human hair. So anytime you buy any type of Brazilian, Peruvian, or bundles or whatever, you should always test the hair. And how you test it is by taking a piece or a little strand and you set fire to it. So we're gonna set fire to this hair just to test it out, just to see if it's good human hair. So I'm gonna put the hair here and take the lighter. I recommend that you cut a piece off, but I'm just gonna set fire to this little piece. And what you're testing when you do that is that the hair fibers, you know, turn to like ash or whatever. See how that burns? Woo! Yes, Lord. And it doesn't clunk up like plastic does and whatever. Woo! Jesus. Okay. So yeah, that is some real hair. And if you've ever smelled burnt hair, then you know the smell. So the hair is real, which is good. So thumbs up for the hair being real. Set the table back up. Okay. So next I am going to attempt to make my first wig on the sewing machine. Okay. So if you guys want to see that video, thumbs up this video, drop a comment, and let me know if you want to witness your girl attempting her first wig on the sewing machine. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to try to crank out some more videos this month, more than I did last month. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.